Welcome back to another helpful tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create architecture diagrams using Claude step by step. If you've ever wanted to turn a simple idea into a professional-looking system architecture diagram without using complicated software, this tutorial is for you. Claude can help generate clean architecture structures and even convert them into mermaid diagram code that you can reuse, edit, and share easily. The best part is that you don't need any advanced design skills or extra diagram tools to get started. Everything can be done directly inside Claude. So, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Claude. Once Claude loads, make sure you're signed into your account so you can create and save conversations properly. When the workspace opens, start with a fresh conversation. Using a clean chat is important because it helps Claude stay focused on your current project instead of mixing information from older conversations. To create a new conversation, click the plus icon usually located on the left side of the interface. Now you'll have a dedicated workspace specifically for your architecture diagram. Next, click inside the message box and describe the architecture you want Claude to generate. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results will be. For example, instead of saying, "Create an app architecture," you can say something more detailed like, "Design a web application architecture using React for the front end, Node.js for the back end, PostgreSQL for the database, and cloud hosting with user authentication." Giving Claude clear technologies and relationships helps it build a much more accurate architecture layout. After submitting the prompt, Claude will usually generate a structured explanation of the system, including components, services, databases, APIs, and how everything connects together. At this point, you already have a basic architecture plan, but now let's turn it into an actual diagram. In the same conversation, type another prompt like, "Convert this architecture into mermaid diagram." Mermaid is a text-based diagram format that allows you to generate architecture diagrams using simple code syntax. This is extremely useful because mermaid diagrams are easy to edit, share, and reuse later without manually redrawing everything. One useful tip is to keep your prompts organized and descriptive. Mention important services, authentication systems, databases, APIs, hosting providers, or data flow requirements clearly. For example, if your app uses OAuth authentication or cloud storage services, include those details in your prompt from the beginning. Another helpful tip is to continue refining the same conversation instead of starting over every time. This helps Claude maintain context and improve the architecture gradually as your project evolves. You can ask Claude to simplify the architecture, add security layers, include scaling strategies, or even generate separate diagrams for front-end and back-end systems. This makes the workflow much faster compared to manually building diagrams from scratch. And that's basically all there is to it. As you can see, Claude makes it incredibly easy to generate professional architecture diagrams using simple natural language prompts and mermaid code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Claude AI tutorials, coding workflows, and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.